Burn, meaning to consume by fire or heat. Synonyms: ignite, scorch, singe. Sentence: be careful not to burn the toast while making breakfast. Finally, meaning after a long time, typically involving difficulty or delay. Synonyms: ultimately, eventually, at last. Sentence: after months of hard work, she finally completed her novel. Psychologist, meaning a professional specializing in the study and treatment of the mind and behavior. Synonyms: therapist, counselor, psychoanalyst. Sentence: the psychologist helped him understand the root of his anxiety. Gaming, meaning the activity of playing video games. Synonyms: playing, gaming. Sentence: gaming has become a popular pastime for people of all ages. Meal, meaning an occasion when people eat food, especially breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Synonyms: repast, feast, banquet. Sentence: we enjoyed a delicious meal at the new Italian restaurant. Wound, meaning an injury to living tissue caused by a cut, blow, or other impact. Synonyms: injury, cut, gash. Sentence: he cleaned and bandaged the wound to prevent infection. Word, meaning a single distinct meaningful element of speech or writing. Synonyms: term, expression, phrase. Sentence: she struggled to find the right word to express her feelings. East, meaning the direction toward the point of the horizon where the sun rises. Synonyms: orient, sunrise, morning direction. Sentence: the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Victim, meaning a person harmed, injured, or killed as a result of a crime, accident, or other event. Synonyms: sufferer, casualty, prey. Sentence: the victim of the robbery was able to give a detailed description of the thief. Protection, meaning the action of protecting someone or something, or the state of being protected. Synonyms: safeguarding, defense, security. Sentence: wearing a helmet provides protection during bike rides. Pipe. Meaning: a tube through which liquids and gases can flow. Synonyms: tube, conduit, duct. Sentence: the plumber fixed the broken pipe in the kitchen. Chef. Meaning: a professional cook, typically the chief cook in a restaurant or hotel. Synonyms: cook, culinary artist, kitchen master. Sentence: the chef prepared an exquisite 3-course meal for the guests. Living. Meaning: the condition of being alive. Synonyms: alive, existence, life. Sentence: she made a living by teaching music lessons. Ambitious. Meaning: having a strong desire for success or achievement. Synonyms: aspiring, determined, driven. Sentence: her ambitious nature led her to pursue a career in medicine. Crowded. Meaning: filled with too many people or things. Synonyms: packed, congested, jammed. Sentence: the subway was so crowded that we could barely move. Treatment. Meaning: medical care given to a patient for an illness or injury. Synonyms: therapy, care, medication. Sentence: the treatment for his condition included both medication and physical therapy. Window. Meaning: an opening in a wall or roof to let in light and air, usually fitted with glass. Synonyms: pane, casement, opening. Sentence: she looked out the window to see the snow falling gently. Curious. Meaning: eager to know or learn something. Synonyms: inquisitive, interested, eager. Sentence: the curious child asked countless questions about the world around him. Chop. Meaning: to cut into pieces with repeated sharp blows of a knife or an axe. Synonyms: cut, slice, dice. Sentence: she had to chop the vegetables before adding them to the soup. Legal. Meaning: relating to the law or the practice of law. Synonyms: lawful, legitimate, judicial. Sentence: he sought legal advice to understand his rights in the contract dispute. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with interesting meanings and usages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more fascinating words in the English language.